Benefits of eating peanut butter every day today. We're going to talk about a common food on many people's tables, a food that many people don't know how important it is to our overall health. Peanut butter. If you're a fan of peanut butter, stay tuned, because today we're going to explore 7 surprising benefits of eating peanut butter every day. And if you're in the gym or just looking to improve your overall health, these benefits are especially for you. Rich in nutrients. Peanut butter is a nutritional powerhouse. A 2 tablespoon serving contains about 8 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, and a good dose of essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. These nutrients are essential for the proper functioning of the body and contribute to heart health, strong bones, and a robust immune system. Protein is especially important for those who focus on bodybuilding, as it helps with muscle repair and growth after intense workouts. Fiber helps keep digestion in check and promotes a feeling of fullness, which can be useful for weight control. Energy source. If you need an energy boost before your workout, peanut butter is an excellent choice. With a perfect balance of healthy fats, protein, and carbohydrates, it provides sustained energy, ideal for long workouts. The unsaturated fats in peanut butter are good for the heart and help maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and dips that can cause fatigue. This means that when you eat peanut butter, you're ready to take on even the most challenging workouts with energy and vigor. Aids in bodybuilding and muscle recovery. Peanut butter is a fantastic food for bodybuilders. The high concentration of plant protein helps repair and build muscle, which is essential after the muscle loss caused by exercise. In addition, the presence of magnesium helps with muscle contraction and recovery, reducing the feeling of cramps and post-workout fatigue. Zinc, meanwhile, is important for the production of testosterone, a hormone that is crucial for muscle development. Incorporating peanut butter into your routine can therefore significantly improve your performance and muscle recovery. Helps with weight management. Contrary to what many may think, peanut butter can be an ally in weight loss. The protein and fiber promote a feeling of fullness, which can help control hunger and reduce calorie consumption throughout the day. Studies show that adding protein and fiber-rich foods to your diet can increase thermogenesis, which means your body burns more calories to digest these foods. In addition, the healthy fat found in peanut butter can help keep energy levels stable, preventing you from craving simple carbohydrates and sugars. Helps support heart health. Peanut butter is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. These fats help lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, while increasing levels of HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Maintaining a good lipid profile is critical for preventing cardiovascular disease, such as heart attack and stroke. In addition, the vitamin E in peanut butter has antioxidant properties that protect cells from damage, contributing to cardiovascular health. Strengthens the immune system. Peanut butter is rich in vitamin B6, an essential nutrient for immune system function. Vitamin B6 helps produce antibodies that fight infection and disease and supports the function of white blood cells. Eating peanut butter on a regular basis can therefore help keep your immune system strong and efficient. In addition, the presence of zinc in peanut butter also contributes to immune function, as this mineral is crucial for the development and activation of immune cells. Good for the brain. Last but not least, peanut butter can have a positive impact on brain health. It is a good source of niacin and vitamin E, which are important for cognitive health. Niacin helps protect against age-related cognitive decline, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting the brain from damage caused by free radicals. So eating peanut butter can help keep your mind sharp and prevent neurological problems as you age. Whether you're an athlete, someone looking to improve your health, or just someone who loves a tasty snack, peanut butter can be a fantastic addition to your diet. Remember to choose a natural peanut butter with no added sugar or hydrogenated oils to maximize these benefits. And always consult a professional before taking any radical measures. And if you already use peanut butter, leave your comment below and like it, and see you in the next Fit Fundamentals video.